Hey, this is Mau, and in this video I will show you how you can create a Google Tag Manager account and how to create a Google Analytics account, and then how to connect it, and also how you can put your Tag Manager code on your WordPress website. Okay, let's get started. Just first of all, you have to go to Google Tag Manager, and then you have to click on create account. Then you have to put your company name. I'm just putting anything like just any name as you want. Continue name, it will be browser continue. Just we are doing for website and create, and I accept. Yes, okay, Google Tag Manager is ready. So now we have to copy the Google tag from here and then put it on our WordPress website. So this is a plugin I am using. This plugin name is GTM4WP, and I am putting the code here. Just click on save. It will be saved. And now what we have to do, we have to create a Google Analytics account from here. Just click on here and create account. Okay, just we have to put a name here. And then next, property name, anything. And you can change your country, time zone and currency also. Then next, select the industry, business size. Then next, and you can select anything here from as your business goal. Create, I accept. So now we will create a measurement ID. So we just need to create on website. Then we have to put our website URL. I'm copying a website URL from here. Then we have to put it here. We have to remove this slash, and here just create a stream. Okay, so we are getting measurement ID from here. Now what do we have to do? We have to just connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager so that Google Tag Manager can send the data to Analytics. Okay, just close and copy the measurement ID. Then what we have to do, just add a new tag. Now we have to Google Analytics, then Google Tag. Okay, just we can put our measurement ID here, or we can create a constant variable to use it later. Okay, let's create a constant variable. So click on this plus button and then click on constant. Okay, just put it here, and you can copy this measurement ID text also as you want or not. Just save. And we have to do triggering from here. We are doing for all page, and we have to give a name here. All page, that's it. Save. Now we can check that it's working or not. Just we have to submit it, publish, continue, and we have to go to debug view. We can go to debug view from admin, then data display, then scroll down and debug view. Okay, and what we have to do here, close it, click on here and then workspace, then preview. We have to copy our website URL again here for here, Okay, we have to put it here. Okay, connect it. Okay, yes, it's connected. You can see it's connected, and J4 tag is already fired. So let's check on Google Analytics. Let's see if we do any action here. We have scrolled here. Let's see it's showing or not. Maybe it can take few seconds. Let's do another action here and check here. Okay, it will come here. Just we have to wait few times. So we are creating a new tag on this time. Maybe yes, already we are getting the data from here. You can see a scroll already came. Okay, so Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager is connected. Okay, so we have now we have to send view content data. Okay, now we have to create a view content. Let's see first here. Okay, now create another tag because we have to send view content data, I mean view item data, and in Facebook we call view content. So same thing, just click here and Google Analytics, Google J4 event. Okay, so we have already created measurement ID. You can select it from here, measurement ID, event name. You can select the event name from here. Okay, we are getting the event name here. Just you have to click view item from the connected debug group from here and copy it, just paste it. And triggering will be not from here. We have to create a custom trigger. So click on plus button and now click on here, and then we have to create a custom event from here. Okay, just click on it and just put the event name here, and we have to give a name here, view item, just it, nothing else. You can also put it here anything as you want. We can give a name here, ga4 view item tag. Okay, and we can also send the data from here about the product. So we need to send it because they will get proper data to do analysis for it. So what we have to do, we have to click on view item and then data layer. Okay, so we have to take the data layer from here. Okay, so you can use it from here. I have already ordered few data from here. You can see. So you can, if you want to take currency code from here, you have to just put e-commerce.currency, and if you want to send product details here, just you have to put like e-commerce.detail.products.0.id. okay, so I'm just taking this data e-commerce.currency. I'm just I have to just send to currency code. So e-commerce.currency code, and to send the event you have to click on add parameter. Okay, currency code, and then we have to send product name. So if you want to send product name, e-commerce.detail.products.0.name, you have to write this data, and I have already written, so I'm copying it. No, it's not here, not here. We have to find out the event parameter name from Google. I have already, no, it's not. ga4 view item event parameter. So maybe we'll get it from the first link. Okay, so we can see, we can take it from here like this, or we can check it from here if you want, like view item. Okay, so if you want take item ID, you can take item ID from here. Item ID, item name, item brand. If you want it, you can send all of this, just copy and paste, that's it. Price, I'm showing you this 4 and you can try this all. Okay, so what we have to do, just we have to give the value. So to give the value we have to create it. So just click on here and we have to click on plus button, and then here, and then we have to create a data layer variable to send the data. Okay, and we have to put the details here. So first one was for currency code, maybe let's say I just forgot it. First one was for item ID. Okay, so you have to copy the item ID one, this one, item ID, not here. Click plus here, then layer, then here, then save ID, just save. Then item name, we have to create a new data layer, and then item name here, save name. Next one, item brand, we have to copy the item brand. So here is no item brand. Let's see if there is in our data layer. No, there is no brand showing here. If there is no brand name in your data layer, so you can't send it, so just leave it here. Okay, so we can delete this one. And price, to send the price we have to send from this data layer. Click on here, then here, then select data layer variable and put it, and then save, then price, and finally save. So it will send this all data to ga4. Also, if you want to send add to cart data, you can do it on the same way. Add to cart, checkout, place order, anything you can, if anything you want you can. Okay, so in this video this all, and if you want to know anything else you can comment. Okay, I will try to answer. Okay, bye bye, thank you.